Hi, in preceding sessions, we have learned about some simple electric circuits. We have also noticed how current through a conductor depends upon its resistance and potential difference across its ends. In various electrical gadgets, we often use resistors in various combinations. Let us start by learning about series and parallel electric circuits. Electric circuits can be classified into two categories. First one is series circuit and second one is parallel circuit. What is a series circuit? A series circuit has all its components wired in the same loop. A parallel circuit contains junctions and there is more than one path for the current. So this is a simple series circuit. As you can see here, two bulbs are connected in series with the battery. So everything is connected in one loop across the terminals of the battery. So there are no points where the current can split or join. In a series circuit, the current flows through one continuous pathway. So the current is the same in all parts of a series circuit. Here are some other simple series circuits. So this is a simple series circuit. The corresponding circuit diagram is shown here. Two lamps are connected in series. So what is a parallel circuit? A parallel circuit is one which contains a point where the current can split or join at a point. So parallel circuit consists of more than one pathway for the electric current to pass through it. This is a parallel circuit. The corresponding circuit diagram is given here. This is how we draw parallel circuit. Now let us learn about how we can measure current in series and parallel circuit. We also know that the unit of measurement of current is ampere. Current is measured using a device, we call it as ammeter, and we already learned that ammeter is always connected in series. So ammeter is connected in series with bulb and resistor or variable resistor. So another way of representing this is with this symbol. So current in series circuit, as you can see here, I is the main current passing through three resistors. So I1 equal to I2 is equal to I3. So a series circuit has only one path in which charge can flow. So if 1 ampere is flowing through this circuit, so 1 ampere can be measured at every part of this circuit. So 2 ampere is flowing through each resistor. So that means current is same everywhere. I is equal to I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. What will happen if one of the lamp is being removed? Can anyone tell me the answer? The rest of the lamp will not light up. So what about the current in parallel circuit? In a parallel circuit, the current divides at the point where the circuit branches and then recombines to complete the circuit. So the current is not the same in all parts of the parallel circuit. So a parallel circuit has more than one path for the current to flow. So the main current is equal to the sum of the subcurrent, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. As you can see in this video, 2 ampere is getting divided at this point as 1 ampere and 1 ampere. Then again 1 ampere is moving here, again getting divided toward 0.5 ampere and 0.5 ampere. Then these two currents will be joining here, and what you get? You get 1 ampere. Then this 1 ampere and the current coming through this branch will meet at this point, and again you will have this one plus this one, again 2 ampere will be flowing out of this. One example for you. What is the current flowing through this series circuit and what is the current flowing through this parallel circuit? So what is the answer here? Can anyone tell? So 4 ampere is passing through this circuit. And what about here? So 3 ampere is passing here. So it gets divided. So 1 ampere will be passing through each branches. And then finally they meet up to get 3 ampere. What you have learned? In a series circuit, the current is same in all parts of the circuit. In a parallel circuit, the current splits up and recombines where the branches of the circuit meet.